Following a series of impactful recognitions, 25th April 2025 in Mumbai became more than just a date, it became a celebration of excellence. At the Orchard Hotel, Cargo NXT continued its mission of honoring trailblazers shaping India's logistics and trade future. Mumbai Cargo Service Centre Airport Private Limited was honored as the Best Air Cargo Terminal Operator of the Year for its seamless integration of air cargo services, ensuring efficient and timely global trade connectivity. Continental Carriers Private Limited was recognized for excellence in project cargo handling for its exceptional ability to manage complex, large-scale cargo movements with precision and expertise. Cargo Marketing International Private Limited was honored as the most trusted brand in international logistics for consistently delivering dependable, transparent, and globally respected logistics solutions. Shriji Translogistics Limited took home the Best Customs Bonded Trucking Company recognition for its secure, compliant, and time-sensitive bonded transport operations across national borders. Excellence in Container Handling title was given to JW Ventures for delivering high-performance container management with accuracy, speed, and operational control. Hans Informatic Private Limited was recognized as the leading cargo, IT, and digital solution provider for transforming logistics operations through smart, scalable, and impactful digital solutions. Going Consulting was named as the best warehouse design and innovation consulting firm for its forward-thinking approach to warehouse infrastructure and supply chain efficiency. Kale Logistics Solutions was recognized as the best next general cargo community system provider for building a digitally enabled cargo network that drives seamless collaboration across the ecosystem. Etihad Cargo received the Best International Cargo Airline for delivering world-class air freight services that connect India to global trade corridors with excellence. Blue Ocean Corporation was recognized for excellence in supply chain talent development for its impactful initiatives that shape future-ready professionals for the logistics industry. Freight Mango was honored with the title Tech Innovator in Logistics and Supply Chain for reimagining digital freight solutions through data-driven platforms and marketplace disruption. Galaxy Freight Private Limited was recognized as the best time-critical cargo agent for its unmatched ability to deliver urgent shipments with precision, speed, and commitment. Continental Carriers Private Limited was again honored with another title leading logistics service provider for its consistent track record of excellence, innovation, and customer-centric operations. Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited was recognized for supply chain excellence in healthcare for maintaining trust, safety, and compliance in critical pharmaceutical logistics. Lastly, Odex India Solutions was honored as the best technology enabler for the shipping and logistics industry for driving digital transformation across shipping processes through powerful automation tools. Let's hear from these organizations driving innovation, setting benchmarks, and transforming the landscape of global logistics.
To be honest with you, I don't know what to say. Because, I think this is the first time we are getting 2 awards, one for the projects and one for the leading freight forwarding. And it's a good recognition. It gives very encouragement to us. I tell you, it gives us a lot of encouragement, to be honest with you. When you are performing well, you need somebody to recognize your services. And then Cargo Next, I'm grateful to them. At least they have recognized our services in the industry.
We are grateful to Cargo Next recognitions for giving us this award, and it motivates our organization and especially our team and the drivers, our truck drivers, who gives us the best in class service to reach the cargo on time to the airports.
Thank you Cargo NX team for giving this Supply Chain Excellence Award to Akums Group, and we are very happy and feeling excited about this award. Thank you so much. It really means a lot, being recognized by Cargo NX, it really means a lot to us.
At Cargo NXT, we believe that it's not just people who power progress, but companies that choose to innovate, adapt, and lead to every recognized brand. This is your moment and your movement. Stay tuned, stay inspired.